This is a quick unboxing and a first impression review of the new Xiaomi scooter that just came out in 2020, and this is the updated version of Xiaomi M365, which was the long-standing basic scooter of Xiaomi. This new scooter got some of the benefits of the previous Pro version, which had the display and also stronger mechanical brakes. This is something that the new scooter gets, and this is now the basic essential version of the Xiaomi scooter. In the box you have, of course, the scooter itself, you have an extra tire, and you have the usual user's manual, and also the charging cable, of course, and you have equipment for inflation of the tires, which are 8.5 inches as the previous one, and they are also air-filled. Xiaomi says that these tires are stronger, so they are less prone to getting punctures. This is an extra tire in the box. And here you have the charging cables and so on. And that's for inflation. And this is important as you assemble the handlebar with the stem with these 4 screws. You just pop them in, and it's an easy process, so I'm not going to show it in full. The user manual contains all the basic information for assembly and also for setup. For this you have to download the official Xiaomi application. You have to connect to the scooter through Bluetooth. When you turn on the scooter for the first time, it's going to beep, and it's going to keep on beeping until you finish the setup process. So this is the new display with the 3 modes, and this is where you turn on the lights. The 3 new speed modes are the pedestrian mode, which takes you up to 5 km per hour, the normal mode, which goes until 20 km per hour. You have the sport mode, and it goes up to 25 km per hour, and there you have the bell. So the 2 brakes, there's the mechanical brake in the rear, and there's the front brake, which is purely electrical. It's connected to the hub motor. The brakes are very strong, as you see. The pedestrian mode is very slow. That's the normal mode. And this is the sport mode, which has good acceleration. In conclusion, it's a big step up from its previous version, so it's worth taking a look at. Thanks for watching. That was my quick unboxing and first impression of the new Xiaomi 1S scooter.